The next gen Tata Tiago. Dual tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger. Zip fast 100% watt syakmat bercedian, blind view monitor. Bagi-wei. Tek kum ki kali rem, hagador ke berjam. Tak sao pun rilak. Just wow.
Kum kasin jam ban wanra kilat kilanti ban pensuk ya kinong ti Dewïong lane ki small scale coal miners haka jalla borok away ke Sorkar jalla kala Thaw ya ka komiti ban Bishar Bniah ban pen kala ya ki kendon ki balak ban ailat ya kinong ti ban nong khayi Dewïong ban yo ya kalat ban ti ban khayi Dewïong kat kum ka an haba pentep ya kane sekilat pathai khobor ukon rat kia sangma menteri rang ba ka jalla uloong bagajing don kam mandon ya ka jaka ka ba 6 hektar kala penlong ya ki babun kinong ti Dewïong ban syam jing e ban yo jing bet ban ti Dewïong uloong bala Thaw ya kani ka komiti hadin ki jing kran bat ka union coal ministry bat ben rap ru ba ka komiti ka kanthop yo additional chief secretary principal secretary advocate general but director of mining.
I also had a minister meeting with the union Environment Minister, Forest and Environment Minister, and the discussion was mainly regarding the implementation of the MEPRF fund, that is the reclamation fund, which the state government collects. But as you're aware that this particular fund is monitored by an oversight committee, which is headed by an additional secretary, Government of India. And we have urged them that if the proposals that are submitted can be cleared on a regular basis, it will help us to implement the scheme and the program in a much faster manner. And I'm very happy that after my meeting, the chairman of the oversight committee held the meeting of the oversight committee just about 3-4 days back, and the proposals that were pending have been cleared. I also had a meeting with the coal ministry, with the ministry officials of the coal ministry. This is as a follow-up to the meeting I had with Honorable Minister and Secretary and Additional Secretary. And in that meeting, my request was to make necessary changes to allow the small-time miners who have lesser area to also be able to enter legal mining, and the current form in which 100 hectares is required or is kept as a minimum level is too high, and most of the local miners are not able to apply. As you're aware, the minister was very positive in his meeting. He asked us to form a committee immediately. This was about a month back, and I'm happy to inform you that the committee has been formed. And there are members from our side, which includes our additional chief secretary, our principal secretary, and our AG, as well as our director of mining. And already one meeting has taken place at the official level of the committee, and also discussions have happened twice with the additional secretary and the technical team. And I have also met the additional secretary myself after the first meeting took place. And the second meeting is due to take place in the next couple of weeks. We're very hopeful, as I said, that we'll be able to find a positive solution so that our small-time miners are also able to legally find a solution and be able to operate their mines in a safe and a legal manner. So this is a very important step for us, and I wanted to share with the press as well as with the public at large that things are moving in a positive direction.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya